Good morning children. Today we are going to learn as part of revision do as directed any 8. Find the volume of a cuboid whose length is 1.5 meters, breadth 60 centimeters and height 20 centimeters. Solution. Length of the cuboid L is equal to 1.5 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1.5 into 100 centimeters is equal to 150 centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid B is equal to 60 centimeters. Height of the cuboid H is equal to 20 centimeters. Volume of the cuboid V is equal to L into B into H. V is equal to 150 into 60 into 20 cube centimeters, that is equal to 1,80,000 cube centimeters. Working column. 150 into 60 is equal to 9,000 into 20 is equal to 1,80,000. The volume of the cuboid is 1,80,000 cube centimeters or 1,80,000 centimeters cube. Note: while finding the volume, check all the dimensions are in the same unit. If not, express them in the same unit and then find the volume. There is a rectangular playground of length 75 meters and breadth 45 meters. A path is made all around the playground on the inside. The width of the path 1.5 meters. Find the area of the playground and the area of the pathway. Solution. Area of outer rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 75 into 45 square meters is equal to 3,375 square meters. Area of inner rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Width is 1.5 meters. So the length to be subtracted. 1.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 3 meters. Length is equal to 75 minus 3 is equal to 72 meters. Breadth is equal to 45 minus 3 is equal to 42 meters. Area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 72 into 42 is equal to 3024 square meters. Area of the path is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. 3,375 minus 3,024 square meters is equal to 351 square meters. Area of playground is equal to 3,375 square meters. Area of path is equal to 351 square meters. Do as directed any 8. Draw a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeters and on it draw the following and name them. Radius is equal to OB, diameter is equal to PQ, chord equal to CD. With the help of compass on the scale, measure 0 to 5 centimeters. Draw a circle and name it. Use a protractor and draw the angle XYZ is equal to 170 degrees. Draw a line, write XY and place the protractor at point X. From right to left, mark at 170 degrees. Draw line and name the point as Z. This is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Rajiv travelled 70% of the distance by bus and the rest by car. If the total distance is 1500 kilometers, what distance did he travel by bus and by car? Solution. Total distance travelled by Rajiv is equal to 1500 kilometers. 70% Rajiv travelled by bus is equal to how much? 70 by 100 into 1500 is equal to 1050 kilometers. Rajiv travelled by bus is equal to 1050 kilometers. Rajiv travelled by car is equal to how much? Now we have to do the subtraction from 1500 kilometers minus 1050 travelled by bus. So the answer is 450. So Rajiv travelled by car is equal to 450 kilometers. Name the two pairs of vertically opposite angles. The two pairs of vertically opposite angles are angle POR, angle ROQ, angle QOS, angle SOP. Name the three angles in the figure. angle AYB, angle AYD, angle DYB. These are adjacent angles. Note, adjacent angles. The word adjacent means next to. So, adjacent angles are angles that are next to each other. They have to satisfy certain conditions. Adjacent angles must have the same vertex. Adjacent angles must have one common arm. Adjacent angles must be on either side of the common arm. If the ratio of boys and girls in a school is 2:3 and the number of girls is 150, find the number of boys. Solution. Boys is to girls, 2:3. X is to 150. Note, the unknown quantity assumed to be X. 2:3 is as 2, X is to 150. Working column, 2 into 150 is equal to 300. 3 into X is equal to 300. X is equal to 300 by 3 is equal to 100. The number of boys is equal to 100. Find the perimeter and area of a triangle. If the base is 7 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters and the other two sides are 6.5 centimeters and 5 centimeters respectively. Solution. Sides of the triangle are 7, 6.5 and 5 centimeters. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C centimeters. That is equal to 7 plus 6.5 plus 5 centimeters is equal to 18.5 centimeters. Area is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to half into 7 into 8 square centimeters is equal to 3.5 into 8 square centimeters. That is equal to 28 square centimeters. Raju bought a watch for 770 rupees. He sold it at 5% profit. Find the selling price. Solution. Cost price is equal to 770 rupees. Profit is equal to 5%. Selling price is equal to how much? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Profit is equal to profit percentage by 100 into cost price. That is equal to 5 by 100 into 770. That is equal to 77 by 2. That equal to 38 rupees 50 paise. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. That is equal to 770 plus 38 rupees 50 paise. That is equal to 808 rupees 50 paise. Triangles are of different types based on sides and angles. Let us see types of triangles based on sides. Equilateral triangle. Triangle PQR. All the sides are equal. PQ is equal to QR. QR is equal to RP. Number 2. Isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC. Triangle STU. Two sides and two angles are equal. AB is equal to AC and ST is equal to TU. Number 3. Skeleton triangle. Triangle ABC. None of the sides are equal. AB is not equal to BC and BC is not equal to CA. Now let us see types of triangles based on the angles. Number 1. Acute angled triangle. Triangle ABC. All the three angles are acute less than 90 degrees. A is less than 90 degrees, B is less than 90 degrees and C is less than 90 degrees. So, triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle. Number 2. Obtuse angled triangle. Triangle PQR. Any one angle is an obtuse angle. Angle Q is greater than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. So, triangle PQR is an obtuse angled triangle. Number 3. Right angled triangle. Triangle PQR. Any one angle is a right angle equal to 90 degrees. Angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. As part of revision, let us learn the orals multiplication tables of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Multiplication table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Multiplication table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Multiplication table of 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Multiplication table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Multiplication table of 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. Multiplication table of 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Multiplication table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Thank you children. Stay safe. Take care.